Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to connect the control circuit of the delta starter. So in a previous video we talked about the power circuit, or how to connect the power circuit of delta starter. Then today I am going to show you how to connect this control circuit. So as you see, this is our power circuit. This is main 3-phase source enter to the main 3-phase circuit breaker. Then after that distributed to the 3 contactors. This is we talked in a previous video. Now today we have this single phase circuit breaker, or single pole circuit breaker, miniature circuit breaker, and we have a timer and the stop push button and start push button. So as you see here, we have single phase source 220 volt. We have line and neutral. Neutral is going directly to the A2 of main contactor, then take branch to the A2 of delta contactor. Also I connected to the A2 of star contactor, and also I connected to the A2 of timer. Then I finish to the neutral. The line is enter to the circuit breaker. Then I take from circuit breaker to the normally cross of overload 95. Then I take from 96, 95 and 96, from 96 to the start or stop push button. Then from stop push button I connect to the start push button. Then I take from start here to the A1 or A1 of main contactor. Then from A1 also I connect to the A2 of or A1 of the timer. A2 is connected to the with the neutral. So here in the A2 I take branch to the common point number 2 of timer, number 2 of the timer. Then also here the number 2, here the number 1 is of number 1 of timer is connected to the A1 of the star contactor, and number 3 is connected to the A1 of the delta contactor. Then I make the latching here from the normally open. Here I make latching, and we talk the in the our videos we talk about this normally open and how to do the latching. So here now if I press here, the main contact and the start contact is starting at the same time. Then after few minutes or few seconds, changing from star to the delta. Stop this star contactor and connect the delta contactor. So now I am going to connect source as you see. if I press here, the main contact and the start contact is starting at the same time, about 2 seconds. This start is stop and delta is connected. So you are seeing start now. As you see, main contact and start contact is starting at the same time, at a few seconds or 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, the start is stop and delta is coming through, as you see. Okay, there are important things we want to do. We want to do the interlock or electrical interlock. So the number one, which is going to the A2 of the star contact, before I go into this A2, I connect to the normally close of the delta contactor and then return back to the A2, and also the line which is coming, the number 3, which is coming to the delta, or A2 of delta or A1 of delta, I am going to the normally close and returning back to the A2 to make the electrical interlock, to save your or make your saving your circuit. If there are problem in the timer, your this contactor is not going to the same time. If this is go in start, this is stop. Now I am going to make the electrical interlock. Now, as you see, I do electrical interlock from number 1. Before I go to the A2, I connect to the normally close of this delta contactor. Then I return back to the A2 of the star contactor. The same thing to the star. Number 3, I go to the normally close of the star contactor. Then I return back to the delta contactor or coil of L delta contactor. This is means the electrical interlock, and this is protect our circuit more and more. Now I start. So as you see, main and star is starting. After that, changing to the delta. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.